Right guys, and welcome back, and let's take a little trip around Barcelona, shall we? No planned agenda, just ride around, get lost, and then just see where we end up. Right, so right ahead of us we've got the cathedral, which appears to be having lots of work done to it at the minute. Man, that is amazing. So this must be one of the main roads into Barcelona. So let's see where we go, shall we? Oh my goodness, we're going to have to put up with this temperature. It's 20 degrees centigrade. Again, I'll do the conversion and put it there. But this weather I could put up with permanently. And considering it's winter, it's amazing. Lots of scooters and bike parks everywhere. The Spanish do love being on two wheels. Of all sorts. Now the cathedral was designed by Gaudi in whenever, or finished by Gaudi I should say, because it was actually built over about several hundred years. Started in about 1278, finished in about 1918. So it's got an amazing history and a really weird design. It is different. This is not a planned tour. I got no idea where the hell I'm going. I'm just going to be riding around and just enjoying it. So I'm heading towards Sagrada Familia, which is that amazing basilica in front of us. That is truly amazing. I mean, it really is. I've never seen anything like it. Forget its religious significance, the architectural significance is wow. Sagrada Familia is sending me this way. Okay. straight over according to this sign, which I don't think is actually going to work because that seems to be a road work block at the end of the road. Oh well, if I get lost, I get lost. Welcome to Barcelona. Doesn't matter where you go in the world, you cannot get away from McDonald's. Bugger it, I'm going to go this way and then take a right, I think. See if I can get into it that way. Doesn't do rights except for buses. Okay, well I'll go to the next road and then to do a right and then try and come in through the back. I don't know where the hell I'm going, but who cares? It's a nice day. And considering this winter, it's amazing weather. They are fond of their horns, man. Okay, I cannot turn there, I cannot turn there. I can turn up there. That is what I'm going to do then. Hoo-yah! Man, now that is a beautiful old building. Look at that architecture. It's a classic and Sam fits in right at home here. So lots of scooters, and there is a motorbike up there, one or two. So we'll have a closer look at what bikes we bump into. It should be fun, whichever way we go, I don't care. I'm gonna go this way too. You're not allowed to run these people over. Man, that's bad.